Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloomberg Terminal for trading. First, you will log in securely using your unique credentials, often with a biometric scanner for enhanced security. Once inside, the command line is your primary tool for navigating the vast system, offering access to thousands of functions. If you ever need assistance, simply press the green Help key twice on the specialized keyboard to connect with the Bloomberg Help Desk, providing immediate support. Next, let's explore real-time market data. You can view live quotes for different securities, such as bonds, by using functions like ALK. For deeper analysis, access historical price data with the HP function and visualize trends effectively using GPO charts. To keep a broad overview, monitor global equity indices and overall market movements with the WEI function and other dedicated market monitors, ensuring you stay informed on key developments. Now, let's dive into research and generating trade ideas. You can find comprehensive company financial statements and fundamental data by using the FA function. To discover new investment opportunities, utilize the EQS function to screen for equities based on specific criteria. Staying informed is crucial, so access real-time news and a wide array of research reports through the news function, ensuring you have the latest information at your fingertips. Finally, we cover trade execution and portfolio management. You can execute trades directly through integrated systems such as TOMS, the Trade Order Management System. To effectively manage and analyze your investments, use functions like PORT and PRTU to track portfolio performance and characteristics. Additionally, set up customized alerts for specific price changes or significant news events, ensuring you receive timely notifications to react swiftly to market developments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.